Hey everybody, once again, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I'm excited to bring this delicious recipe to you today. It's for warm, cheesy chicken and queso dip. And it's made in a crock pot, so it's super easy to make as well. So stay with me, I'll show you how this is made. Looks really good, right? Want some? This is really good for sharing, so it's great to take to a potluck or a picnic or any kind of gathering that you might have. Now before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I've provided a quick link in the description below this video if you're interested in my cookbook. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is get out a slow cooker. Plug it in, turn it on, and I turn it on high to get started. Okay, so we're ready to get started. The first ingredient is 250 grams of cream cheese. Now simply drop that directly into the crock pot. Next is a 227 gram package of queso dip. Now continue to build your dip by adding that in on top. Now the next ingredient up is Frank's Red Hot Thick Sauce. Buffalo Ranch to be exact. We'll need about half of this bottle, so you'll use about 175 ml, or 3/4 of a cup or so. Now we're going to go for the next ingredient, which is marble cheese. And it's a good idea to grate that, and we'll need about 2 cups, and add that to your mixture. And you can give it an initial stir if you want, but then leave the temperature on high, place the lid on, give it a stir once in a while. Once this all melts together, you can turn the temperature down to warm, and it can remain in the crock pot for several hours. The next ingredient is cooked chicken. Now maybe about half an hour before you're ready to serve it, chop up some chicken and have it sort of shredded like you would if you were doing pulled pork. And I used about 2 cups of this today. And this can be added then to the dip. Mixed in really well. You might want to turn the heat down to warm. And give it maybe 20 minutes, half an hour for the chicken to absorb the flavors. Okay, now then we're ready to serve this up. We'll see what it looks like and what it tastes like too. Now here are a few serving suggestions. These are non-dippers, garlic and herb pita chips, plain nachos, smoked Gouda cheese crackers, and veggie crackers. And I decorated the top of the dip with a fresh herb sprig. What do you think? Looks pretty good, eh? Alright, it's time for a taste test. So it certainly passed the taste test. Now it's time to share. So a special thanks goes out to Lisa, my daughter-in-law, who shared this recipe with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and now where's the party? Until next time, happy eating, and now go make some.